Hey, welcome guys. Today I will show you the quick setup for making bootable Windows USB. So first you need some tools and a Windows ISO file. There are many free tools you can use for this, but I'm using Win2Boot because it's fast and easy. You find the link for this tool in the description. As you see, I've connected USB drive to my PC, and make sure you have no important data on it. Now open the tool. You see it automatically detects my USB, check on quick format, and add an ISO file. You can use whatever Windows ISO files, but I have Windows 10 ISO file, so select the file and click Open. So it's loaded the ISO file. Now, click Do It. So wait for the process. It's almost take 10 to 15 minutes, depends on your USB type and PC specs. I'm going to do fast forward. It's nearly done. This may take some time, so be patient. Now it's done, click Thanks, and close the tool. You successfully made bootable USB, that ready to install Windows. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Hope you find this helpful. Please subscribe.